Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to set a passcode lock on Telegram. To do this it's very simple. We have just to go to Telegram and after that go to settings, and after that scroll down until you find privacy and security and go to the second option, passcode and face ID. Click on it and click on turn passcode on. I will make simple passcode. Okay, so like that, the passcode is turned on. You can change the passcode. You can say to your phone when it will like auto lock the app. For example, you have if away for 1 hour, if away for 5 hours, if away for 1 minute, and you can choose whatever option you want. And that's it. The passcode is activated on your Telegram. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video and see